Alright, so today we're going to be trying out Playground AI, specifically playground.com, and we're going to see what we can do with it. So as you can see here, you can start a new design or upload and edit an image from almost anything, including, you can do your logos, your t-shirts, social media posts, art, etc., etc. But let's go ahead and see if we can create a virtual background. We'll just try one of these things for today just to see how it works. So let's go ahead with a virtual background and we'll see what we can create. So as we see, you can actually begin with a template, or you can create it yourself through text. Now let's see what the sizes are. So we'll go with the standard and the virtual background, and we'll come up with a prompt that fits what we're looking for. So to do this, what we did was ask ChatGPT to create language prompt that fits specific for Playground, and I asked it for a cyberpunk scene for like a cyberpunk virtual background. So we're going to go ahead and paste that and see what it creates for us. As you can see here, this is the prompt: futuristic cyberpunk cityscape, etc., etc., and let's see what it does. And as you can see, this is what it created for us, which is actually pretty nice, and it aligns exactly with the prompt that we created. Then it also gives us a few more templates that are available on the side that somewhat fit and align with what we were creating. So it worked out pretty well. If you want to see what else we can do, we can go back to Playground up here, and you can see that you can do, once again, a logo, t-shirt, and utilize the same methodology that we did for the virtual background. You can also create banners, phone case covers, and anything that you see here. So, for instance, even if we click meme templates, we can see that it basically takes the same alignment of what they were doing. You get your basic templates that you can play with, and you can adjust it utilizing AI. So it's just basically literally a playground for AI that dives into different types of creation methodology that you can utilize, and it formats it in that specific way. So for instance, if you're creating a Spotify album cover, it'll be designed specifically for that format, or a phone case, the same thing. So it's just a nice little area to play with and create images and anything under the sun regarding AI. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.